Hello students, welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss next type of chemical reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means decompose hona means break hona. Reactions in which a single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances known as decomposition reaction. सिंगल कंपाउंड किसमें ब्रेक हो रहा है? टू और मोर सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस में. फॉर एग्जांपल ए बी, ये क्या है? कंपाउंड है एंड इट डिकम्पोज टू फॉर्म ए एंड बी, टू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस. दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज नोन एज डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. Decomposition reactions are opposite of combination reaction. Combination reaction में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? The reactions in which two or more substances combine together to form single compound. और अब decomposition reaction में क्या है? Single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. Decomposition reaction takes place only when energy is supplied. Energy is supplied in the form of heat, electricity or light. There are three types of decomposition reaction. First type, thermal decomposition reaction. Next, electrolytic decomposition reaction. Third, photo decomposition reaction. Reactions in which single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction, and decomposition reactions are opposite of combination reaction. Types of decomposition reaction: first, thermal decomposition reaction; second, electrolytic decomposition reaction; third, photo decomposition reaction. Let's discuss type of decomposition reactions one by one. First, thermal decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction which takes place by absorption of heat. Means a single compound breaks down to give two or more simpler substance by absorption of heat. For example, thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate decompose to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide by absorption of heat. अगर हीट एब्सॉर्ब करके कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट ब्रेक हो रहा है किसमें? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में, तो ये रिएक्शन कौन सी होगी? एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. इट मींस थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शंस आर एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस. Let's understand with activity 1.5 of your NCERT. Activity 1.5, thermal decomposition of ferrous sulfate crystal.
Take a small quantity of ferrous sulfate crystal.
Note down the color of ferrous sulfate crystals. Ferrous sulfate crystals का कलर कौन सा होता है? ग्रीन. Take ferrous sulfate crystals in the boiling tube and heat the boiling tube on Bunsen burner. Green color of ferrous sulfate crystal change to white. And then changes to reddish brown. ये reddish brown क्या है? Ferric oxide and smell of burning sulfur. Now observation of this activity, the green color किसमें convert हो गया? White, then white to reddish brown. Reddish brown color of ferric oxide. Second observation, smell of burning sulfur. Thermal decomposition of ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate crystals. Note down the formula of ferrous sulfate crystals. FeSO4 7H2O. FeSO4 7H2O. कलर क्या होता है फेरस सल्फेट क्रिस्टल्स का? ग्रीन. On heating, it becomes white, FeSO4. Without water, anhydrous form of ferrous sulfate. Now it is white. And on further heating, it become reddish brown, ferric oxide. Write on the observation of this activity. Green ferrous sulfate crystals change to white solid. White solid क्या है? Anhydrous form of ferrous sulfate. And then to reddish brown. Reddish brown क्या है? Ferric oxide. Second observation, smell of burning sulfur. Now decomposition by heating is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. अब यहाँ पे absorption of heat हो रही है तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Endothermic reaction. Chemical equation of this reaction: FeSO4 7H2O, ferrous sulfate crystals. कौन सा कलर होता है इनका? ग्रीन. ferrous sulfate crystals green in color. हीट करने से क्या हो जाएगा? एनहाइड्रस फेरस सल्फेट FeSO4 7H2O. This anhydrous form of ferrous sulfate white in color. Ferrous sulfate on further heating gives Fe2O3 ferric oxide, reddish brown in color, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. State symbols यहाँ पे solid, sulfur dioxide gas, sulfur trioxide gas. इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 2 FeSO4 on heating give Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. Now decomposition reaction which take place by absorption of heat is known as thermal decomposition reaction. One more activity in your NCERT, activity 1.6, thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. Take lead nitrate in boiling tube. Lead nitrate is white in color. On heating, it changes to yellow solid and reddish brown fumes. Thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. Take lead nitrate in boiling tube. Formula of lead nitrate PbNO3 twice. Color white. White color of lead nitrate changes to yellow color और साथ में reddish brown fumes हैं. First observation, yellow residue of lead oxide is left behind in the test tube. Second observation, brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. Yellow residue of lead oxide, PbO. And brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. Type of reaction, thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction which takes place by absorption of heat. This reaction is endothermic reaction. Why endothermic reaction? क्योंकि इसमें हीट क्या हो रही है, एब्सॉर्ब हो रही है. To break lead nitrate into simpler substances, heat is absorbed. जहां पे भी हीट एब्सॉर्ब हो रही है वो कौन सी रिएक्शन होती है, एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. नाउ केमिकल इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन, lead nitrate PbNO3 twice, lead nitrate white color. On heating it give lead oxide yellow color. NO2 nitrogen dioxide brown fumes. O2 state symbols, lead nitrate solid, lead oxide solid, NO2 gas, O2 gas. बैलेंस कीजिए इस इक्वेशन को, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2 and 4. Single compound breaks down to give 2 or more simpler substances are known as, ऐसी रिएक्शन को हम क्या कहते हैं, डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. और इस डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन के लिए हीट सप्लाई की गई. अगर डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन विच टेक प्लेस बाय एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ हीट, उनको क्या कहते हैं, एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. Note down the observation, chemical equation and type of reaction. Next is electrolytic decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions which take place when electric current is passed are known as electrolytic decomposition reactions. Means a single compound breaks down to give 2 or more simpler substance by passing electric current. There is an activity 1.7 of your NCERT, page number 9. Take plastic mug and drill 2 holes at its base and fit the rubber stopper in these holes. Insert carbon rods, graphite rods are good conductor of electricity. Insert graphite rod in this rubber stopper. Connect these electrodes to the 6-volt battery and then fill the mug with water such that the electrodes are immersed, and add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the water for the conduction of electricity. Take 2 test tubes filled with water and invert them on the carbon electrodes. Switch on the current and you will observe the formations of bubbles at these electrodes. These bubbles displace water in the test tube. In the test tube covering the cathode, the amount of gas collected is double than that of gas collected in the test tube covering the anode. कैथोड पे क्या कलेक्ट हो रहा है, कैथोड पे क्या कलेक्ट हो रहा है, हाइड्रोजन गैस. एनोड पे कौन सी गैस कलेक्ट हो रही है, ऑक्सीजन गैस. और हम इनको टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं with burning splinter. Hydrogen give pop sound and you know oxygen is a spotter of combustion. And the amount of hydrogen gas collected is double than that of oxygen gas. Observation of this activity. Volume of gas collected at cathode. Cathode पे कौन सी गैस collect हुई है, hydrogen, is double than the gas collected at anode. Anode पे कौन सी गैस collect हुई है, oxygen. Means volume of hydrogen is double than oxygen. Chemical equation, H2O give rise to a hydrogen and oxygen. H2O water on passing electric current give hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. State symbols. And type of reaction कौन सी है ये? Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolysis of water. Gas collected at cathode is double than gas collected at anode. कैथोड पे कौन सी गैस कलेक्ट हो रही है? हाइड्रोजन. एनोड पे कौन सी हो रही है? ऑक्सीजन. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ decomposition reaction, photo decomposition reactions. Decomposition reaction which take place by absorption of light means breaking of single compound into two or more simpler substance by absorption of light is known as photodecomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions which take place by absorption of light. Activity 1.8 of your NCERT, page number 9. Take silver chloride in china dish. Silver chloride white in color. Place this china dish in sunlight for some time, and on exposure to sunlight, white silver chloride turns gray. Activity 1.8, decomposition of silver chloride in presence of sunlight. Silver chloride AgCl, color white. On exposure to light turns gray. ग्रे कलर किसका है? सिल्वर का. Observation, white silver chloride turns gray in sunlight. Type of reaction, photo decomposition reaction. तो किसमें सिल्वर क्लोराइड डिकम्पोज अगर हो रहा है तो किसकी प्रेजेंस में हो रहा है? लाइट की प्रेजेंस में. केमिकल इक्वेशन, सिल्वर क्लोराइड AgCl, सिल्वर क्लोराइड white in presence of sunlight, silver plus Cl2. Silver chloride decomposed to silver and chlorine. Silver gray color, solid form, gas, ये भी solid. Equation is not balanced, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2 and 2Ag. Silver chloride on decomposition gives silver and chlorine. Silver bromide also behave in same way. I mean, there is a photo decomposition reaction, silver bromide AgBr. In sunlight, decomposed to form silver plus bromine. Equation is not balanced. यहाँ पे 2 and 2. AgBr give rise to Ag plus Br2. Silver bromide give rise to silver and bromine. State symbols यहाँ पे हो जाएगा solid और silver भी solid और ये gas. Above reactions are used in black and white photography. Next, again, very important. Decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat, light or electricity for breaking the reactant. अब जिन रिएक्शंस में एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जिन रिएक्शंस में एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट, लाइट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस. इट मींस ऑल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शंस आर एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस.